Marketing is the process by which a business or organization tries to create and take advantage of opportunities to achieve organizational goals, such as making profits, meeting customer needs, and staying competitive. Digital marketing is an extension of marketing in the digital environment. It refers to the promotion of products or services using digital technologies, mainly on social media platforms and via search engines. Digital marketing versus marketing. Marketing is a process which includes advertising, sales promotion, and publicity, while digital marketing is a subset of marketing that uses internet as the main medium for promotion. Digital marketing relies on data gathering from social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter to target audiences. Digital marketers use analytics tools like Google Analytics to measure the effectiveness of their campaigns. Marketing's advantage is that it has a high potential for growth. Digital marketing's advantage is that it can reach a large number of customers at once through social media channels like Facebook and Instagram. Marketing's disadvantage is that it requires lots and lots of time investments from employees who have to be trained before they can be put into use. Digital marketing's disadvantage is that there are many scammers who abuse this trend on these channels and offer poor quality products or services.